This quick guide video explains the absorbances step, which can be accessed when a wideband tympanometry measurement has been taken. Wideband tympanometry displays all the data obtained from the measurement on the 3D graph. However, in order to interpret the results from this measurement, it is recommended to look at the tympanograms and absorbance graphs separately. The purpose of the absorbances step is to display the most relevant absorbance graphs with normative data so that an interpretation of the middle ear status can be made. The absorbance graph shows the absorbance as function of frequency at a given pressure. The absorbances step can show absorbance graphs for the ambient pressure as well as for the middle ear pressure. For an easy comparison, most prefer to see both curves in a single graph as it is displayed on the right. The example we see here is from an adult patient, and based on the birth date of the patient, the age-appropriate normative data is automatically displayed with it. If desired, one can view other normative datasets by selecting a different age group in the drop-down box on the left. When using the absorbance graph in making a diagnostic conclusion, it is important to realize that the best conclusion is based on more than just the information in such graph. Make yourself aware of the actual middle ear pressure. Try to think for which middle ear situation is such middle ear pressure expected. Then look at how the absorbance curve at the middle ear pressure fits to the normative data, and do not get misguided by small parts of the curve falling outside the norm data. Compare to the curve at ambient pressure and also include information about the resonance frequency, which can be found under the 3D graph. Within the Titan suite, there is absorbance examples that you can overlay with your measurement. Be aware that for each pathology and for patients of different ages, there can be a large variation of curves compared to these examples. Because of the large variation in the absorbance graphs for different pathologies and age groups, separate quick guide videos will deal with some of the pathologies. This concludes this quick guide video, brought to you by Interacoustics Academy. Other information on wideband tympanometry can be found at academy.interacoustics.com.